Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be really fun to go through my shower routine and the products that I use. I've actually done one of these before, but I genuinely enjoy making these videos and sharing with you what I use. And my routine has definitely updated since the last time I did it, which could have even been very early 2018 or late 2017. I can't remember. So behind me, I've got all the products that I use. And yeah, I just had a shower and I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's just do a shower routine video. So before I have my shower, I actually love to do my facial skincare routine. Now, I tend to have my showers at the end of the day, so I've already done my morning skincare routine, which is purely facial wash and moisturizer, which you can see in my morning routine video, but I don't know what that was. I tried to be trendy. Anyway, so when I have a shower, I like to start with the apricot. When I have a shower, I love to start with the St. Ives apricot. I'm actually having issues pronouncing apricot. When I have a shower, the first thing I like to do as part of my skincare routine is use the St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. So this is actually amazing. I was using a scrub by Simple, but I think they discontinued it. And I was looking for something that was as natural as possible. And I would have to say this is it. This, when you use it on your skin, it feels insane afterwards. Like when I first felt my skin, I was like, oh my goodness. And just so you know, so I'm currently not wearing any makeup right now, and I've been doing this skincare routine very religiously morning and night. I don't use the scrub every day though, I need to add. I use it about every third day. I will use the scrub because I've been told you shouldn't use scrubs every day. I'm just going with that. If you use it, please don't use it too harshly because your skin might react. Yeah, I think my face looks a whole lot like more fresh since I started to use it. So definitely look this up and get it. Okay, so after I've used the apricot scrub, I like to use the Simple Vital Vitamin Foaming Cleanser. I have been using this product now for about close to 4 years or 3 years. Well, I've used it for 3 years, but like it might have been closer to 4 years. I wouldn't lie to you. So I've been using this for years now, and yeah, I just stand by it. Again, I went after a company that had a really good reputation and was known for being more on the natural side. I go after skincare products that don't have scents in them, like artificial scents, smells. I don't know why artificial scents sounds weird. I go after products that have no smells. It's a bit bubbly because I've like literally just used it. This has added moisturizers, and it's just, yeah, a basic cleanser for your face. I find that Simple as well makes products with people with sensitive skin in mind. I can't necessarily say that I have a sensitive skin because I don't think I do, but that is something that I've taken note of. And obviously I want to be careful too with the things that I put on my face. So definitely I had that in mind. But yes, so those are my two main products for skincare before I have my shower. Okay, so after I've done my skincare, I hop into the shower, of course, and I use the Body Shop Moringa, I hope I pronounced that correctly, shower gel. This is almost empty because I've been at home isolating, the Body Shop has been closed, and yeah, I have like worked my way through this, but I think it's reopened now, so I need another bottle. I love this, it smells amazing. This is the best smelling one in my opinion. I've been using this for ages, and it was my sister who introduced me to it because she got me a Body Shop little care pack for Christmas. I'd never used them before that, but they definitely make your skin feel very, very soft. And I don't know, I'm like now addicted to the Body Shop products. I love the Body Shop. Now we're getting into hair care, and this is something I care about a lot because I have personally struggled with my hair. I think you'll notice clicking into my videos that I have had short hair a lot in the recent like 4 years, and yeah, I tend to cut my hair off, and that's because when my hair is really long, I find that the roots tend to drag, and I have issues with that. So when it comes to looking for shampoos and conditioners, I'm always looking for ones that, you know, will make my hair flourish and be bouncy and make the roots stand up. and I came to Pantene's Micellar Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. I've never used a micellar hair product before, and I just have to say that I fell in love with this product. I am in love with this product. I just think, I mean, like I said, my hair right now is wet, so it hasn't dried, you know, or anything like that, but I just feel like already you can see my hair has a bounce to it, like my hair is lifted, and I just noticed that when it dries, it kind of maintains that. I just find with a lot of other shampoos that my hair will just drop, or it will look really dark, and then the next day it looks like I haven't washed my hair. So this, so far, I've been using this for a few weeks now. This has fixed my problems, and this is definitely like, this is a bit more pricey, this product, but I will be going for it again when this runs out. And I have to say, like, it's pricey, but I mean, I've used this a lot and there's heaps in there, so I'm not sure. And if you have blonde hair, it is so important to get products that do not have silicone in it and don't have, you know, really weird chemicals, because it will darken your blonde hair. That is something that I have to keep in mind when I'm shopping for a shampoo or conditioner. This doesn't have silicone in it, and it is more, I mean, okay, there is a big list of ingredients that I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I know. But yeah, it doesn't have silicone in it. There was another chemical that I looked for and it wasn't in it. So this definitely, I don't think, is going to darken our blonde hair. So that is just another thing to note. Alright, so something a bit different. I think it's a bit different. It's quite an exotic product. I wouldn't be able to tell you how this is pronounced, but this is a conditioner, which I hope that is, I'm not sure if that's gonna show you. I will link below this conditioner, but basically there's no parabens in it. It's actually, this is made in Europe, this conditioner, so it's a little bit, you know, fancy for an Australian. It's Siberian herbs that apparently harvested in the wild. So definitely a standout product. This is expensive. I'm not going to pretend. It smells to die for. Like, it's amazing. It's got an amazing scent. Definitely more on the pricey side. I did not get the shampoo in this because I didn't want to spend money on both the conditioner and the shampoo. So I just got the conditioner, and I think I've been using the Micellar Pantene shampoo with this, and they have made a terrific pair. I will not say though, you don't really smell the berry on your hair after you've gotten out of the shower, and I just want to point that out because people would get very taken with how this smells, and I thought I was gonna walk around smelling like Siberian herbs, and I don't. So don't buy it just for the scent, but I can promise you that, again, it's more organic. Like, that's, you know, what they're going for. It's for all hair types, and it says on the front, gives hair incredible volume from the very roots, nourishes and saturates hair with essential moisture, and it makes hair thicker. So far, I stand by it. I wouldn't say, like, I already have, I guess, more thicker hair, but I think this is just helping keep my roots alive and keeping my hair looking more fresh. So for hair care, again, if you've got blonde hair or you have hair that you're really struggling to make it look lively, try to find these products. I was going to be fancy and say source these products out. Find these products, give them a shot. Keep in mind they're expensive. This is expensive. This is probably a bit more affordable, but yes, this is my hair care that I'm currently incredibly passionate about. Okay, so we've done our skincare, we've done our hair care. Now I get out of the shower, I dry off. I've been letting my hair air dry for the past 2 weeks because usually I do use a hair dryer, and I was kind of wondering if that's a bit unhealthy to keep using because of the heat. I know for blonde hair it isn't a good choice. So when I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair and then I just let it air dry, and I have noticed a difference. I've noticed that my hair lasts longer and it looks lighter when it dries. So after I towel dry my hair and I put it back, it is back to skincare. I use the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Love this product. Again, I would use any moisturizer by the Simple Company. I don't really think, you know, there's just a few, and I don't really always read the label. I just pick them up. But like I've got one, if you watch my morning routine video, I use a Simple moisturizer and it's got a light label on it, a light blue label going across the front. I don't actually know what that says because I haven't bothered to read it. But yeah, I just use any of the Simple moisturizers. I find that they're all really good. They all pretty much do the same thing. And yeah, I just, my skin is honestly always soft. And I remember I went to Maya and I like was trying to get my foundation to match my skin. And the chick actually was like to me, "Your skin is so soft." And I was like, yes. You know, I think being dedicated to skincare is actually quite hard because, you know, you wake up and you're like, oh, and then at nighttime you're tired. Like sometimes I'll get into bed and I'm like, uh-oh, I haven't done my skincare routine yet. So it is a thing that you have to, like, you work hard at it and then you reap the rewards and benefits. But I definitely think Simple is the way to go for moisturizer because, again, it's for like every skin type. You know, all the Simple moisturizers pretty much brag that they're for sensitive skins, so definitely worth giving a shot. Alright, after I have put the Simple moisturizer on my face, I actually take Body Shop Moringa Body Butter, and these go really quickly, so I do not use a lot of it, but I actually apply some to my elbows and to the sides, just behind my ears going down my neck. Like, I do the sides of my neck. This is actually just like so I can smell really, really nice. And obviously you get nice elbows out of doing that. So I recommend it. I mean, otherwise these products are gonna go so quick. Like there is no way you could put this all over your body and not go bankrupt. Alright, the other thing I like to do quite regularly throughout the day, but obviously I do it after a shower because I have more warm showers, like more hot showers. So it is sort of everything feels like it's a bit dried out after the shower. But again, I like the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Lip Balm. This stuff is amazing and it smells so good. So I always apply this after everything else and it smells really good. I recommend. Okay, and then it is hand care. So I actually have two options for this that I use. The first one is the Body Shop Strawberry Hand Cream. This is really nice. And the thing that's really nice about this, I'll actually use some now because I haven't applied it yet. The thing that's really nice about this is that it absorbs into your skin really quickly. And that's a bonus for anything that's going to moisturize your hands, because usually you put moisturizer on and you're like, okay, like you're stuck sitting there waiting for it to absorb and your hands feel a bit ugh. So I definitely think this is better for quick absorption. So yes, and it smells ridiculously good. Okay, so the other one, this is a bit more serious, this product. This is Roskin Skin Repair Intensive Moisture Hand Cream for very dry hands. I have this thing in the colder weather where I get really dry skin on the backs of my hands, and if I'm not careful, it actually progresses to the point of cracking and bleeding. I don't know if it will come up because it's actually healed, but it actually happened on this one. There's a red mark there, and yeah, I was like, I need to get back into using Roskin. Yeah, this is really terrific for that. I actually, honestly, I put this on more before I go to bed, but I thought I wanted to incorporate it because I was talking about self-care and hand products, and this is going to be a perfect option too for after a shower. So I definitely recommend this. And that is it. Then I am clean, fresh, I smell good, and I am ready to go about the night, because like I said, I usually take my showers of a night or like an evening. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you thought it was informative and you think some of these products are of interest to you. Obviously, I do not know your skin type, I don't know your hair type, so My recommendations are not going to be, you know, generalizable across the board. You have to do a little bit of research on your end, and you have to make sure these products are okay and safe for you. But if you have a product that you absolutely love, I would really love to hear down below in the comments what it is. I'm always on the hunt for new beauty products. I really love like self-care and making myself feel nice, and that is, I guess, a passion of mine. So please share your recommended products with me. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my other videos. I have done a morning routine, which was really cool to make, and I have done a 1950s makeup tutorial that I followed along and I learned a lot of really cool tricks for. Please give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, share it with your beauty lifestyle enthusiasts, and don't forget to visit me at Instagram @JustFemThings. Bye!